So we're back now. We were talking about the two different types of install for this, and which I'll show you in a minute, and demo. So here we go. So I'm just going to go to Webflow MCP. And here we are. So it just explains the two different types, remote and local. And we're going to go for the remote option, which I've already explained what it's good for. So let's get straight into it. We're going to use Claude Desktop. So I'm going to copy this and open Claude. And Claude is an AI tool made by Anthropic. I think they're a startup in San Francisco. They got backing by Amazon and Google, so yeah, it's quite popular. So we're going to go to Settings, Edit Config, and we're going to add the code. Now, because this is in its experimental phase, you don't actually need to add an API key at the moment. We could just use this and connect to your website. There's no way of separating workspaces or websites with an API at the moment. So if I just hit save, then I could choose any website I have access to, any workspace. But I'm going to add an API key anyway, just to show you guys the process, because it's helpful. So we're going to go to our website settings, and we're going to go to apps and integrations. And we're going to add an API token. So we're going to generate a token. We'll just call it demo. And just for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to activate all the permissions, just in case something else goes wrong. Do this, which should just take a few seconds. So I'm just giving read and write access, just because I don't want anything else to mess up. Okay, so I've granted all the permissions, essentially, to look at sites, look at pages, look at collections, and I'm going to generate the token. And obviously, once you copy it, it's gone forever. So make sure you write it down or save it. Don't write it down. So it's copied, and I'm going to hide it forever now. Okay. So now I'm going to go back into the config file, and I'm going to actually edit this live. So, and then Webflow token, and then I'm going to put in the API key there, and that's done. So hopefully this will work. So I'm going to save, and then I'm going to restart Claude. Okay, so just close that, and I'm going to go File, Exit, and then restart. And hopefully, Einstein is my name. It should ask, yeah, it's working, great. So it's basically creating a token, an OAuth token. So I'm going to click Approve, and then I'm going to choose our website. So I think we've called this, demo. So I'm going to choose the website that I want, and I'm going to authorize the app. And we're basically connected now. So Claude is connected to the website. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, just a basic command. I'm going to say, use the connected MCP to list all the sites available via the Webflow API. Okay. And Claude is going to respond. So it's sending a sites list request, and you can see it's found the website that we chose, the Webflow London demo. So that's good. So now I'm going to say, please publish the website and send me the URL. So see what it does. It's usually quite quick. So come on, Claude. It will work. It's just taking its time. Any questions so far?
Would it have been faster to just hit publish?
Yes. Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to publish it, but that definitely did work in the demo. So let's just publish.
Can you connect it to Slack as well? Like, can I replace the client?
Potentially.
Do that.
Potentially, yeah. Okay. Okay, so I've manually published the website because Claude has let me down already. And we're going to look at the website now. And you can see we've got a nice team page. Okay. And so you can see we've got 6 team members. And if I just go to the site settings, I'll just show you the state of the collection. And you'll see that there's six items in the collection, okay? So you're about to demo this to the client, and then, oh no, you forgot to update the team bios. So that's a problem. So hopefully Claude can help us with that. He better. So Claude, I forgot to update the team bios. Can you help? Please, for existing team members, update the bios. For new members, create the records, but save to draft. And then I'm just going to upload a copy document, which the client has sent us. It's got all the information there.
Cool.
So here's an example of that document. You can see they've used these incredible images. And you can see here's the team section. It's got our team here, and it's got some other members of the team that aren't in the collection, okay? So hopefully, Claude, so I'm going to upload the file here and hit send. So here we go. So it's saying, I'll help you update the team bios. It's found the team's collection, which is good. Okay, and it's realized that some are existing and some are new, which is also good. And it started to update the collection, which is great. Okay. And now it's just going to publish those changes. So he's setting the new members to draft.
Failed to call.
And that has timed out. Okay, perhaps it's working. Okay, so apparently it's working despite the error. So let's have a look. So you can see here that they've got lorem ipsum. If I refresh the page, you can see it's updated it. Turn it. That's all working, which is good. It's done that automatically. And if I refresh this, you can see, hopefully there's new team members added as draft.
Wow.
And all the bios are done. And I'm just going to do another quick change as well. So I'm going to say Cookie Monster has been promoted to chairman. Please change his position and ensure he appears
This is
first
insane.
on the page. FYI, sort order is largest to smallest. So I'm treating the AI tool as an actual person who can understand instructions. So I've asked to change Cookie Monster's position and to change the order on the page based on the sort order. So they're checking that now. I can see Miss Piggy currently has the highest order. So now Cookie Monster should be first on the page and should be the chairman. And here we are, Chairman Cookie Monster, which is good.
Amazing.
London Webflow